Hey, come in for a second. I want to talk to you about the Codex Z2 in a way that actually feels real, because this is the kind of desktop that doesn't just upgrade your setup, it upgrades the way you operate day to day. You'll feel it immediately if you're the type of person who refuses to settle. Someone who's done with mid-tier performance pretending to be good enough. Someone who knows they've been carrying more potential than their current system can follow. If that's you, this machine fits you right away. Before we go deeper, take a quick moment and check the current price in stock. Models with this configuration shift faster than you think, and waiting a day can change everything. There's always that moment where you realize it's time. Maybe your old tower froze during a competitive match. Maybe those long project renders turned into long nights. Maybe the noise, the heat, the slow loading, it finally got to you. But deep down, you knew it wasn't you holding things back. It was the hardware. Switching to performance like this gives you a strange kind of calm. You hit the power button and the whole experience feels smoother, more responsive, like the machine is already thinking ahead with you. You stop bracing for lag. You stop adjusting your expectations. The system finally keeps up with the pace you prefer to work and play at. Picture yourself running your usual stack, editing timelines, big exports, heavy multitasking, jumping into demanding games, and nothing wavers. You get these crisp frame transitions, no hesitation when scenes explode with effects, and all that breathing room from the powerful components gives you this steady confidence. It's not just powerful, it feels dependable. Take another glance at the link mid-video if you haven't yet. Prices on setups like this climb out of nowhere, and missing the good window hurts later. If you're holding a bit of doubt, that's normal. Everyone questions a jump to this level. But once you feel how effortlessly everything runs, the doubt fades instantly. One thing you might not expect. How much cleaner and lighter your entire workflow becomes. Tasks that used to feel heavy suddenly feel simple. Even long gaming sessions feel more balanced because the system doesn't stress under pressure. And owning something like this, it changes the energy of your space. You feel that pride when you sit down, knowing your setup finally speaks the same language as your goals. A machine like this makes you show up differently, sharper, more committed, more excited to push yourself. Faster reactions that elevate your gameplay, smoother multitasking that keeps you in control, quieter performance that feels premium, room for big future projects, a level of power that lifts your standards. If there's a downside, you might notice the size and airflow design asking for decent desk room. And once you get used to this speed, every other device you own will feel slower by comparison. But eventually, you stop comparing. You stop overthinking specs and price tags. You choose the machine your gut already wanted the moment you saw it. If the Codex Z2 feels like that for you, don't wait and wonder later. Check the link and move on the upgrade while it's still in reach.